Michelle, I've been researching this Dream D9 Max robot vacuum, and I'm so excited about its AI features. It's got LiDAR navigation, which means it maps your home in real time and cleans efficiently without bumping into stuff. Plus, it can handle multiple floors, like if you have stairs or a split-level house. It remembers each layout.
Yes. And the suction power is 4,000 pascals, strong enough for pet hair and deep carpet cleaning. My dog sheds like crazy, so the rubber brush that doesn't tangle with fur is a lifesaver. And it even mops. You just attach the water tank, pick one of the 3 water flow settings, and it glides around, leaving floors shiny. Though I read the mopping's more of a light wipe, not a deep scrub. Still, perfect for daily upkeep.
Right. The app lets you set no-go zones and virtual walls, so it won't wander into the bathroom or knock over your plants. You can even schedule cleanings or use voice commands with Alexa or Google Home. But wait, does it avoid cables or small objects? I heard some robots struggle with clutter.
Good point. The obstacle avoidance isn't perfect. It might push around shoes or cables if they're left out. But the cliff sensors are reliable. It won't tumble downstairs, which is a relief. Just gotta tidy up a bit before running it. Safety-wise, the manual says to keep the dock in an open area and avoid mopping carpets to prevent mold. Oh, and always dry the mop pad after use.
Smart. I love that it recharges automatically and resumes cleaning. The battery lasts nearly 3 hours, so it can handle big spaces. But what about maintenance? Filters and brushes sound tricky.
Not really. The dustbin is huge, 570 milliliters, so you don't empty it as often. The app reminds you to clean the brushes weekly and replace them every few months. The mop pad's washable, and the water tank detaches easily. Just don't use detergent, it might clog the system. Overall, it's pretty user-friendly.
Perfect for busy pet owners. Let's just remember to keep it away from loose wires and maybe block off the litter box with a virtual wall. Oh, and no midnight cleanings. The Do Not Disturb mode keeps it quiet at night.
Exactly. Between the mapping, suction, and safety features, this little bot's a game changer. Now, if only it could fold laundry too.